Hello everyone, this is Sir Vic Villaver, your teacher in General Mathematics. So welcome everyone to this class orientation. So first part of our class orientation, we'll be talking about the netiquette, the proper way of doing things online. So number one, so we have avoid anonymity and pseudonymity. What do you mean by anonymity? So when you say anonymity, so that you are totally unknown, to your teacher. And when you say pseudonymity, meaning to say you are using another name, not your real name. So these are the things that you need to avoid. So meaning to say, you are going to use your real name. So your Gmail should be your real name. And of course, in Messenger or in our group chat, so you should change your name to your real name. Okay, so number 2, avoid sarcastic behavior. So there are instances that nagkakaroon ng problema because of this kind of behavior. So this should be avoided, especially online, because everything is public online. So alam naman natin yan. So dapat we should think before we type, we should think before we click. So yun ang dapat gawin natin. Number 3, don't abuse the chat box. Of course, kailangan natin nating mag-post ng mga bagay na importante lang doon sa chat box. So hindi porket we have the freedom of expression, so we can freely express ourselves. But then again, ang chat box ay gagamitin natin yan as a medium of instruction. So ibig sabihin, gagamitin lang natin yan if it is related to our class. So if in case meron kayong problems or meron kayong dapat na ikonsulta sa inyong teacher, pwede nyong i-refer sa ating class secretary. So yung class secretary natin, in-appoint natin kanina, tapos sila na yung mag-feedback sa akin para meron tayong sistema at hindi mapupuno yung chat box natin. Alright, so next, attempt to find your own answer. Meaning, you're going to try your best not to cheat. So cheating is never right in all corners. If you feel like it will be your escape, you're wrong. It will only create more problem in the future. So kumbaga, cheat now, suffer later. So next is, you're going to submit file promptly and the right way. So ibig sabihin, meron akong bibigay mamaya na mga dates of submission. So you need to strictly follow the dates. Pag mahuli kayo, so bibigyan din natin ng credits yung mga nagbibigay talaga, nagsumusunod talaga sa deadline. Kaya meron ding consequence or meron ding tinatawag natin na sabihin na lang natin na sort of punishment. So a deduction of points doon sa mga hindi sumusunod. Of course, kailangan nating ma-learn itong pagiging prompt natin sa pag-submit ng whatever requirements. So kahit hindi requirements, so kailangan kung merong mga deadline, so dapat on or before the deadline nakapag-submit ka na. Okay? So ayoko nang nagsasubmit ka 2 days, 3 days after the deadline. So meron ng consequence pagka ganun. Alright. So the right way, bakit the right way? Kasi when you submit your answer or your file, so kailangan isulat niyo doon sa subject. Halimbawa sa Gmail, mag-submit kayo sa Gmail. So there are instances kasi na ang ginagamit niyo na Gmail is not your real name. So kaya sa subject, gusto ko ilagay ninyo yung family name ninyo, family name first. So for example, Villaver. Tapos your first name, Vic Vincent. And then ilalagay ninyo your class schedule. So for example, will be class 8 to 12. So, and then the subject, general mathematics. Okay? So, yun yung mga important information na dapat makikita natin sa subject. So, pinaka-importante doon is your real name, your complete name. Kasi, paano ko ma-record kung halimbawa you are using aliases or yung tinatawag natin na pseudonym. Okay, alright. So, next is, you are going to read first, then, saka magtanong. Okay. So sinabi ko na, nabanggit ko na ito kanina. So importante talaga na magbasa kasi there are cases na tanong tayo ng tanong, yung sagot naman pala ay andun na. So kailangan na pagtsagaan din natin. So be patient, and then kailangan na andun yung respect So dapat hindi yun nawawala. Kasi kung ganyan ka, masyado kang makulit, so kahit na hindi class hours natin, kahit na sabihin na lang natin after office hours, so say beyond 5, so tanong ka pa rin ng tanong, syempre meron tayong mga tinatawag natin na private life, so beyond office hours, so hindi na dapat mag-i-entertain yung teacher ng mga katanungan. So kung halimbawa wala talaga dun sa group chat natin, so you can ask your classmate, and then yung class secretary na lang siguro ang mag-relay sa akin kung ano yung inyong kailangan or katanungan. Okay? So again, read first before you ask, no? So kailangan kang magbasa-basa saka magtanong. Okay. Next, think before you type. So nabanggit ko na ito kanina, no? So importante talaga na, again, sinabi ko na everything, no, pag sinabi nating online, everything is public. So nababasa ito ng lahat, no? Nababasa ng classmate mo, nababasa ko. So lahat ng pinopost mo sa halimbawa sa group chat ay nababasa nating lahat. So dapat kailangan nating mag-isip. So halimbawa yung mga offensive words, so kailangan natin na impossible, no? Hindi natin 'yon gagawin. Okay? So yun yung mga bagay na dapat nating tandaan kasi para harmonious yung klase natin. So walang problema. Okay. So next, so be respectful. So nasabi ko na ito. So itong last, there are cases kasi na pag tayo ay nagta-type sa computer, so we intentionally or unintentionally nata-type natin in all capital letters, or tinatawag natin yan na caps lock or all caps. So ang iba kasi piniperceive ito ng iba na nagagalit ka, no? Pag nagka-caps lock ka, nagagalit ka. So iiwasan din natin yung mga ganon. So pwede naman mag-type tayo ng hindi caps lock, no, or combination. So capital letter, small letter, wag lang puro caps lock. Kasi para hindi tayo ma-misinterpret ng mga nakakabasa. Okay? So, ito po yung mga kailangan natin gawin. So, parang do's and don'ts sa online class natin. So, I hope na gagawin natin ito sapagkat napaka-importante ng mga ito para hindi tayo magkaroon ng problema along the way. Kasi alam naman natin, no? So, pag internet talaga ang pag-uusapan, so kagaya ng paulit-ulit ko na binanggit kanina, so when it is online, everything is public. So, kaya yun ang iiwasan natin para hindi tayo maka-offend at hindi tayo magkakaroon ng problema. Okay? So, we'll proceed now to the second part of our orientation. So, kung meron kayong katanungan dito sa part 1 mamaya, so I will be answering all your queries. So, proceed muna ako, no? So, part 2. So, ito yung mga requirements ng course na ito. So, in general mathematics, so meron tayong mga requirements. So, number 1. So, 150 leaf spring notebook. So, bakit kailangan ito? So, di ba sir, sabi mo online. So, di ba sir, dapat paperless siya kasi online. So, ngayon, saan ito gagamitin itong 50 leaf spring notebook? So hindi naman lahat, no, especially sa mathematics, mahihirapan kayo kung halimbawa sa summative test or sa performance, sa written work, sa evaluation. Paano ninyo yan? Halimbawa, paano tayo mag-test kung walang paper and pen? So hindi nyo isusulat. So, importante pa rin ito. So, dito natin ilalagay yung performance task natin at saka yung evaluation part or yung tinatawag natin na written work. So, I know that you're already familiar with it kasi sa grade 10 ninyo, so nabanggit na yan ng guro, no? So, yan yung importante na malagay natin sa notebook. Kasi pag hindi siya notebook o hindi natin isusulat, halimbawa online lahat, through Google Forms or halimbawa through Gmail or Messenger or group chat, so parang napakahirap, no? Napakahirap ng ganun, especially if halimbawa mag-encode tayo ng equation. So pag hindi kayo kabisado sa mga different apps, no, na magagamit niyo sa pag-encode ng equation, so nahihirapan kayo. So better to use paper and pen, though it is traditional, pero it is for me it is more effective than the use of online platforms in terms of assessment. Okay. So, pangalawa is coloring materials. So, mas maganda i-check yung notebook na organize. So, para maging organized yung notebook, so we can use or we can have the aid of coloring materials para mas mukha siyang organized, no? So, but this is optional. So, pwedeng wala na itong coloring materials. Next, kailangan magkaroon kayo ng Gmail account. So, using your real name. So, gaya ng nakikita ninyo. So, vicvincent.villaber@deped.gov.ph. So, that is my DepEd Gmail. So, yan yung binibigay sa amin. So, dapat yung Gmail account ninyo ay magmumukhang ganyan din. So, using your real name if possible. Okay? Next. So, dapat meron kayong downloaded SLAs. So, from week 1 to 4. So, itong downloaded SLAs, so magbibigay ako mamaya ng ilalagay ko to sa Google Drive. So, lahat ng SLAs ay ilalagay ko sa Google Drive. Tapos, kayo na bahala mag-download. Or pwede rin ilagay ko sa ating group chat or pwede rin mag-create tayo ng group page, no, for our SLAs. Or by the way, ang SLA pala ay ito yung tinatawag na self-learning activity. So ito yung mga activities even without the the presence of the teacher ay ma-administer or ma-facilitate pa rin. So kahit walang face-to-face interaction. So meron kasi itong mga procedures, step-by-step procedure na susundin ninyo. So andun na lahat sa SLA. All you need to do is to read and of course to follow the procedures. So ito yung SLA or tinatawag natin na self-learning activities. So mga 30 SLAs ata lahat all in all from quarter 1, week 1 to week 4 hanggang quarter 2. Okay. So lastly, ito yung kumbaga suggestion ko, no, para hindi kayo mahihirapan, especially there are instances kasi na considering all the limitations, no. So internet minsan mabagal, merong internet pero mabagal. So para meron kayong flexi time, so para kahit anong oras at your convenience mapapanood nyo pa rin so yung class discussion natin. So better subscribe to our YouTube channel. So meron dyan MathPH, so that is my YouTube channel. So mas maganda siguro you subscribe to that channel para anytime you want, no, any time of the day. So kahit na saan ka, halimbawa kahit na andun ka sa kapitbahay mo or kahit na kahit saan ka, no, kahit na gumala ka, so you can check our video lessons. So andun yung lahat, no. I will try my best na makompleto yung quarter 1. So all the video lessons na andun, I'll try my best na makompleto yun. And then of course, I will assure you that the video lesson is really sabihin na lang natin na the goal is making difficult things or making difficult to understand competencies into easy to learn. So the goal is making it easier for you. So parang ganun. So expect na once you subscribe and then nanonood kayo sa mga videos, so sigurado ako na meron kayong matutunan. Alright.